So, Lee, why are hackathons so good for developers? And why is FusePump such a great place for developers to work?
Well, I think the hackathon is just sort of part of how FusePump works. Really, we want to do cool things and give people the freedom to do really kind of good stuff and great stuff for our clients. But it's also about freedom to developers as well as developers. So having the time and having a bit of space when they're doing the work to make sure they do stuff in the best possible way. And we also try and support that as much as we can through things like we have sort of seminars, and we're happy to provide training courses, and we've got a library of tech books and things like that as well.
So, Lee, what are your top hackathon tips?
Top hackathon tips. I think probably my biggest tip is going to be thinking about making the demo as clean and polished as possible. So there's always going to be kind of little gremlins lurking around the corner and things going, particularly because there's obviously a lot of time pressure. But they need to make sure they're working together with the commercial people on the team to make sure that the demo and the pitch tie up really well and everything looks as good as possible.